Can I talk to you? You're together, eh? Come. Come. You're not a tender.
I am the tender prophet.
Prophesy, Baba.
You're a tender.
Yes.
Did you know the Lord before he knew the Lord?
Makaziva Mwari here we are ziva
I
Mwari.
don't know, man of God.
Yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm telling you what is happening there. You have a child in your stomach.
It's true, Baba.
Now.
Yes, Baba.
Now. It's just a question, yes or no.
Mubvunzo cheto mupindura muchiti hongu kana kuti kwete.
Talking about dreams. Have you ever seen me in your dream?
Makambondono
So many times, Baba. Yes.
So many times, it's a yes.
Kazhinji.
At some point, people were seated, many people, like it was like in town or somewhere. And then I came and I called you from the people.
Pakaita sepana vanhu vazhinji vakagara mutaundi.
And I said to you, follow me.
Ndopandati nditevere.
And I was walking
Ndichifamba
and I was wearing a bluish suit.
ndakapfeka sutu yeruvara rweblue.
And you were following. And then when I went over the hill,
Pandakaita sendadarika chikomo.
you saw multitudes of people, and I just walked into the middle of those people, and you couldn't see me again.
Wakaona ruzhinji rwevanhu
That's very
vandangopinda
true,
pakati pevanhu ivapa vanozondona zvakare.
And in another dream,
Mune chimwe chiroto zvakare.
you saw me coming to you.
Wakandiona ndishuya kwauri.
This is recently now.
Izvi zvakaitika manje manje izvi.
And in that dream,
Muchiroto ichocho
there was a jacket, different color,
nga paine
different trousers. It wasn't a complete suit,
siyana nemudhebhe wacho.
but there was like a robe around my waist. And then I came to you and I told you that you are going to give birth to a baby boy.
Ndobva ndaya kwauri.
Very true, man of
Kubereka
God.
mwanakomana.
Yes,
Very
yes,
true, prophet.
yes.
That's very
Yes.
true.
Yes. And when I was
prophet, and
when-
I just ignored the dream and said they are just dreams.
you ignored the dream. Now, as I was walking away, you knew that you were about to wake up. And then you grabbed my feet. And I tried to drag you, and you said, you will not go until you give me the name of the baby. And I looked back and I said, David.
That's the name you told me.
Izvi zvakanyanya vanhu vaMwari. Izvi zvakanyanyisa.
Do we know each other?
No.
And in the morning,
Mangwanani acho.
you wanted to go out.
Maenda kuenda.
And she was busy explaining the dream.
Yes,
I didn't want to listen to
So she was seated down, you were standing because you wanted to leave.
Makagara pasi makamira kuti maenda kuenda.
What was the dream? Maharojaji.
Mama kapika suit. Mama kamonera something like a rope badge. I pick up Old Testament. Then you came and you gave me a child, a son.
I gave you a son.
Yes, man of God. That was last year. And then my mom said, now I know the David. My mom to take care of him.
Maradi, take care of him.
Ma kuenda vanda kudonzai baba.
Manduza.
Ne, andina.
Manduza ere kuti makarota hope.
Kwenze prophet, kwenze.
ndo chiprofita chemhando yepamusoro-soro.
And this David
Davhidha uyu
is telling me that he has been in touch
ari kundiudza kuti anga achiwadzana
with a machine
nemuchina
2-3 days ago or something like that.
mazuva
That's
maviri
very true,
matatu.
man of God. We went for a scan.
You went for a scan.
Yes, man
They
of
told
God.
you it's a baby boy.
Yes, man of God.
Put your hands together for the Lord.
So keep this child.
chengetai mwana uyu
From today,
kubva nhasi
no more arguments because you were arguing concerning this child.
It's true, prophet.
mamuchipokana pamusoro pemwana uyu.
She has been asking me long back before even she was pregnant. She was saying, what shall we call our son? I was saying,
vaindibvunza
we'll think
kubva
about
kare
it, we'll think
kuti
about
mwana wedu
it.
chamuti kudini
And then when
tichafunga
she
nezvazvo.
came, when she had this dream, she told me about David, and I said, no, I will think. So every day it was an argument. So what's the name you have decided? What is the name you have decided to give? I said, we'll get it later.
She wanted to call him Nimrod from the Bible. And I said, no, the prophet said David.
There is a giant in your family that he is going to destroy.
Nhare yekwenyu ichaparadzwa nemwanakomana uyu.